Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a Miele dishwasher that makes noise when draining. First, check the drain hose for any kinks or obstructions. A bent or clogged hose can cause water to flow unevenly, creating noise. Straighten the hose and remove any blockages if needed. Next, inspect the filter and sump area at the bottom of the dishwasher. Food particles or debris can get stuck and cause rattling or gurgling sounds. Remove the filter, clean it thoroughly, and replace it properly. Check the drain pump for any foreign objects. Small items like glass shards or bits of food can get trapped in the pump impeller. Turn off the power, access the pump, and remove any debris carefully. Also, make sure the dishwasher is level. An unbalanced machine can amplify draining noises. Adjust the feet so the dishwasher sits evenly on the floor. Finally, run a test cycle to see if the noise persists. If the dishwasher still makes loud draining sounds, the drain pump may be worn out and require professional replacement. By following these steps, you can fix your Miele dishwasher noise when draining and keep it running smoothly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.